Amazon and Nykaa collective haul. So first of all, we're going to start off with Amazon. Most of these things are quarantine related or organization related. That's why I wanted to do this haul, because I thought it would be helpful for you guys. The first package, I got it 3 weeks ago, and the last package I got it yesterday. That's why I had to wait for so long, and some of these things I've already been using. There's just a lot of package here. I'm feeling a little. The first thing that I want to show you guys is my yoga mat. Oh my god, it's too big. I won't be able to show you properly. But it's from the brand called Brand Villa. I was working out and using like the thinnest mat. It hurt my elbows and the skin started peeling off, and it was just terrible. I couldn't work out for the next 2 days. Like, I can't put my elbows down, and it was terrible. So I asked my brother, and he bought me this, okay? But it's super thick, and since the day I got it, I've been using it, and my elbows don't hurt anymore. It doesn't deform, and it's anti-skid. Amazing. It comes with a yoga mat bag as well as a strap, which I don't know where I left it. For 800 rupees, I highly suggest this one or this Ross one. I'll put the pictures of both of these here, and I'll also link every single product that I'm mentioning down in the description box. You guys can check that out. Keeping the whole fitness thing in range, I bought a wristband, like a pair of wristbands, because again, I'm pretty heavy for my hands, okay? And when I try to do anything with my hands, like straight up planks or push-ups or whatever, my wrists hurt really bad. So I got these called Nivea, and it really helps in giving your wrist that support, and you won't be scared that you're gonna break your wrist when you're trying to do push-ups or planks or whatever. I mean, like here, I'm not a fitness coach, so I don't know how this whole thing works and stuff, but my wrists don't hurt anymore when I work out. So yeah, I do suggest it. A couple of games that I got off of Amazon. If you have kids in your house, or if you even have like elderly people at home and you want to just spend some time with them, then this is perfect. Oh my god. That's Ludo and Snake and Ladder. It's the ultimate board. It comes as such a big board, and when you open it, you have the, like, it's pretty thick, as you guys can see it. It's pretty thick. Comes in a plastic wrap. And you have Snake and Ladder as well as Ludo, and there are other games as well, like chess and something that I can't realize what it is. What is it? I don't know. Yeah, you get different games. I have pretty elderly people at home, and this is all we can play. It's fun, and it comes with these plastic coins and then one dice. It's been helping me kill a lot of time, which I really appreciate, honestly. Parents were also so excited to see this board. Got it for $285, which is pretty inexpensive, and the cardboard, it's not even like a single board, it's pretty thick. So I would highly suggest that you guys get it. Another thing, when games only, basic playing cards from Stonecraft, made in India if I'm not wrong, 300 rupees. You get 3 freaking deck of cards, okay? Some people might say that it's expensive because I don't know, I'm buying cards for the first time. Why I bought this certain cards especially is because when you open the deck of cards, it freaking comes in a box. I have other cards like Uno and stuff, and they just come in this flimsy cardboard box, and this thing is gonna tear off and the cards start to get damaged. It's great, I love it. So yeah, I honestly did not think if any of these were Chinese made or Indian made when I bought it, okay? So don't come at me for that. One of my long forgotten habit was painting. So I got watercolor painting papers. These are from Brushstroke. I really suggest the brand Brushstroke if you're buying anything art and crafty from Amazon. One pack you get 18 plus 6, that is 24 watercolor papers, and you get a pack of 2 for 371, which I think is a good go. Also got the set of 4 masking tapes, and these can be used to borderline your paintings. That's what I use these for 155 rupees. Now coming to organizational stuff, my favorites. The first thing I want to share is this jewelry holder. Like, it looks like this. It comes in 2 to 3 different colors. Like, you can store jewelries in both the sides. Here I have all of my necklaces. It comes like with a strap here. Hate detangling my necklaces, and I have a couple of them which just get tangled all the time. It's pretty big, to be honest. On the other side you have these small pockets where you can put your earrings, rings and stuff. I'm trying to organize my whole cupboard right now and I have a lot of stuff and very little space for storage. So I'm trying to find things by which I can actually increase my storage area, and I got it for 279 rupees. I think it's a good go. What you do is put a hanger through it. Ta-da! I thought of hanging it on the door, the inside part of the door of the cupboard. And for that, we'll go to the next thing that I bought, which is these self-adhesive hooks. Comes in a pack of 8 and this is what it looks like. The silver self-adhesive 3M hooks, and they are amazing. It can take a lot of weight and you can stick them almost anywhere. Also, if you are someone who wants to stick things on and stuff, I have stuck my nail polish organizer that I DIY'd using these. These are clear double-sided stickers and it comes in a box which can hold a lot of weight, and it does not, you know, damage your walls or your wood or whatever, wherever you're sticking it. Actually take it and place it somewhere else and it sticks perfectly fine. I bought these cloth box with dividers for wardrobe, closet drawer or whatever. They come like this, and then when you open it, you have a zipper right here. You close the zipper and it stays like this. All dividers where you can put your laundry or whatever you want to put in there. A pack of 4 pieces. I already have my inners and stuff kept in them, so I'm not going to show it to you. All of my home clothes. It can hold a little bit, but if you make it very heavy to hold, and I highly suggest you put it inside a drawer and not carry it around, because the base is just a cloth material. It's not very thick, so it won't be able to take on all the weight. Just keep it inside a drawer, use it. It works fine, but if you try and take it around, it might not stay this way for long. You pay 500 rupees, 499, which I think is fine if you are really into organizing stuff and you feel like things just clutter a lot inside your wardrobe or your drawer. Then this thing can be very helpful. I've been using it for almost a week now and it's been very helpful for me, so I do suggest it. Coming to the next thing in organization, I have this. It's pretty much similar to the other one that I just showed you guys, but the difference is that these do not have any dividers, and these I bought for my new dresser or drawers, chest of drawers. Yeah, let's open it. I have boxes like these, and it comes with these cardboard pieces to keep it like on the base so that it stays sturdy. What each of them looks like is put it inside. This is what the medium one looks like. Ta-da! I'm doing an organization video, so look out for that. Do subscribe. Totally 6 pieces for 550 rupees. And these are again wardrobe organization boxes, again cloth and not plastic. About again, they come with these cardboard pieces to keep it inside so that it stays sturdy. Oh my god, this is what I was the most excited about. Again, I got it in the shade like beige and black and stuff, and these are from the brand called Homestrap, and I think these were the least expensive ones I could find on Amazon. The pack of 6 was 1099. All of your clothes and everything is going to be so much more organized when you use such things, and things look so much more neat. Dalton electric acne extractor remover, vacuum skin cleaner, face, nose, wherever you want to use it. When the Amazon delivery agent came and he gave it to me, Max thought it's for him, so he took it and he ran around the house with it, and I thought he won't bite it, but he was trying to, you know, hold on to it, so it got completely damaged. Thankfully, the inner package did not get damaged. Thank the Lord. Again, this should help you guys during the lockdown. This thing, if it works, I will try it out soon. This is what it looks like. Comes with the power button, and you need to put in batteries in there, and you get 3 suction tips. Random purchase, I must say. Now, coming to the second random purchase. Are called wave formers for your hair. Heatless hair curling tool. Okay, they're like 300 rupees, and you get 18 pieces of rollers. 9 of them are long ones, 9 of them are short ones, and it comes with a stick with which you pull your hair into it. But they are pretty cheap, honestly, 300 rupees. they are cheap. Again, another random but hopefully helpful purchase is I bought a mic, and this one is the Boya mic. It's pretty famous and mostly compared to the Rode mic, this one. And I wanted a mic for filming because every time I film there is a lot of noises in my videos, and I hope that this thing works. I don't know. I still don't know. But yeah, I got this mic for 1,550 rupees. The Rode one costs pretty much 5,000 rupees. So I don't have that much money to spend on a mic. I don't earn anything out of YouTube, so putting that much money in was just, it didn't seem practical. So I bought this one, and I really hope that this one works. And the good thing is that you can use it both on cameras as well as smartphones or tablets or laptops, wherever you want to use it. So I can pretty much use it for my videos while I'm filming, and also for my voiceovers because I can connect it to my laptop. Great. And for the last thing I want to show you guys is these bottles. These are like 500 ml glass airtight bottles. This steel lid. I bought them is because I have started making homemade oat milk or almond milk, and I needed some bottles to store them in. You get pack of 2 in such a box, and the packaging was really good. So yeah, with that, finally we are done with our Amazon haul, the Nykaa haul. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. Oh my god, look at it. It's the Ultimate Edit Petite Shadow Palette in the shade Brights. Oh my god, I'm in love. I got this for 800 rupees. No offer, nothing. 800 rupees for such a small thing, but it's love. Look at the colors. I am obsessed. I got that. And the next thing I got is Black Iris contact lenses, and 5 different shades: turquoise, pure hazel, green, brown and grey. The thing about buying this set instead of single colors is because you can try each and every color and then decide which one suits you the most. Then the next time when you're buying it, you can buy that color, right? The thing that I got is Nykaa Essentials Jojoba Oil. I really like Nykaa's packaging. It's really pretty. When you open it, it comes in a bottle with a dropper. This is how it comes. 500 rupees. And you get 30 ml of product in there. Not a lot, but I bought it for oil cleansing. I wanted to try out oil cleansing on my skin, and I have heard a lot of good things about oil cleansing, and jojoba oil is meant to be used, so I bought that. Now let's open the big bag. Sorry, there's a lot of stuff. And this is my new set of skincare. I'm so excited. So the first thing that I bought is not a skincare, and let's just get this out of the way. It's the Blue Heavens Mascara. Blue Heaven Walk Free Mascara. Waterproof, long lash, smudge proof. I've been using my mascaras for a while now, and I thought it's time to discard them, so I got a new one. Hygienic reasons. Next thing I got is this one. It is the Face Shop's Herb Day Cleansing Cream in Aloe variant, and I'm gonna open it. And the packaging is kind of bad. It has dipped in there, but it's okay. Okay, it smells herbal. All the things that I've been hearing a lot about in skincare, which are the great things like double cleansing, oil cleansing, chemical exfoliants and stuff. That's just why this new haul is. So this is for double cleansing. And I bought the Pond's Light Moisture Non-Oily Brush Feel with Vitamin C. Let's open it. Let's open it. I know what this smells like. Oh my god, I know this cream. This reminds me of a cream that I used to use when I was really small. Oh shit. Okay, anyways, I got the 75 ml variant for 115 rupees, and I thought this would be a good daytime moisturizer for me. Reapply moisturizer a lot of times during the day, so buying a really expensive moisturizer doesn't work for me during daytime. So I thought this one would work for me. The next thing I got is this one. It is the Face Shop Dr. Belma's Clarifying Spot Patch Kit. It comes with a pack of 80 patches. I did try the spot patch from Amazon, and that one worked pretty fine, but these days what I'm getting is severe acne, and I wanted to try something pretty much more efficient, so I thought I would go for these. Most of my most loved beauty vloggers swear by this thing, so I thought I would try this thing out. It is 790 rupees. Yes, a little expensive, but you get freaking 80 patches, so I don't think it's that bad. My skin is healing and I'm excited, and I don't need this anymore, but I bought it just in case. I mean, I do break out at times, so. And then I got this, the Dr. Sheth's Gulab and Glycolic Toner. These are meant for Indian skincare. I think these are made in India. And also these contain glycolic acid, which is an AHA, or an alpha hydroxy acid, and it is very well known chemical exfoliant for your skin. And since my skin has so much texture these days and has been breaking out and healing and a lot of dark spots, pigmentation, a lot is going on my skin, and I thought I should get into, start using chemical exfoliants on my skin. And the first step, and a mild step according to Shreya Jain, is using a very mild toner. So I bought this one. She only recommended it. The MRP is $4.99. I got it for $4.24 because I think there was some kind of offer. And then we have two products from Dot & Key. Just look at that packaging, guys. I want to buy their products for the packaging. Look at it. So cute. Okay, the first thing I got is the Dot & Key Hydro Peel Glow Potion 10% AHA plus 2% BHA exfoliating serum. It's made with glycolic acid, lactic acid and salicylic acid, wherein glycolic and lactic are AHAs and salicylic acid is a BHA. Shall we open it? I mean, I'm excited to see what it looks like. ASMR. Look at that! Oh my god, the packaging! And see, they've given a lot about your ingredients and stuff, which I really appreciate. There you have the product in there. So cute. Cost 1095 rupees, but I got it for 986 rupees. I have to try this one out because it's pretty much compared to the ordinary peel, but that one is way more concentrated compared to this one, and this one is recommended for beginners, so I bought it. Coming to the last purchase of the day. It is the Dot & Key Skin Essentials Night Serum. It costs 595 rupees, but I got it for 536 rupees. Look at that, so cute. The packaging. You get exactly 15 ml of product in there. And when I bought all of these stuff, I got these two for free. Okay, Shine Hydrating Cream from Face Shop in the Chia Seed range. I love the Chia Seed range. That is what I'm currently using, but it's gonna get over soon. Therapy First Serum, and this again will stay a long way. With that, we are done with the haul. Oh my god, it was a very long haul. I'm sorry, I had to change my battery, I had to change my card. It's going to be a very long haul. I'm really sorry if you guys did not enjoy it. Most of the stuff that I shared today I thought would be helpful for others as well. So if you guys do find it helpful, if you guys do like it, please give this video a big thumbs up, and also please do subscribe to my channel because that will just make everything better for me and this channel, and I would really appreciate that. And also if you guys do subscribe, do let me know down in the comment box. For sure, I would totally reply to each and every one of your comments, so please do comment down below and let me know. The links to all of the products that I've mentioned today will be down in the description box. And yeah, that's it with it. What? I'm getting old. What do you do, man? I just got back pain. Uska kya karu?